Yo, what going on, y'all boy? Hey, this your boy Paul Kemp, aka PJ, aka the Prodigy. Hey, listen, I've been working on this beat right here for a little minute now. I put a little bit of heart and soul on this song. Ain't no cursing, ain't none of that, man. It's just real feeling, man. It's how I feel. That's what I'm gonna call my first album, How I Feel. So right now, I'm about to let y'all boy know how I feel. So let me go ahead and start this beat over for y'all boy. This is Amen, How I Feel. Yeah. Hey, I took my hand off your shoulder, you threw me straight through the roof. When I woke up this morning, I swear your body would poop. I used to sleep in the bed, but now I'm out on the couch. I got some things in my head, but now I'm letting them out. I swear the feeling's still here, but you just gave them a doubt. Instead of talking about it, you just was trying them out. Don't even say that you love me when you just let me just leave. I thought that we was forever, I swear to God we could be. There is no need to stop praying, don't even get on your knees, cause you done took me to hell. That is the place I should be, but I ain't got me no worries, cause I can stand up the heat. So I'ma take you to church and I'ma preach on the beat. So only listen to words and do not listen to me, cause I can tell you about life and how you want it to be, or how your heart's gonna feel when it misses the beat. So stop watching the clock, you ain't got no time to kill. Or you can climb up the mountain then take a walk down the hill. They say that love is a sickness, but you don't give me no pills. I might be needing a doctor, but over time it will heal. She wanna sit down and talk, I tellin' no Dr. Phil. I put my heart on the beat so she can know how I feel. This ain't no power of love, this is the power of will. But it pays to get hurt, and you sent me the bill. Girl, I got me no money, but girl, I know that you kill. That means your outside is deadly, and I'ma need me a shield, just to block all those feelings that keep on coming right here. That's why they call me the Prodigy, and I live in no fear. So I'ma walk how I walk, and I'ma feel how I feel. I said that me and my dogs, we don't play that around here. That means that I'm starting over. That means I'm back as for one. That means that time that you had, that time is over and done. Alright, hey, listen. If y'all boy like it, go ahead and like it. If you want to give me a little feedback, go ahead and comment. If you want to share it, go ahead and share it. Y'all boy can do whatever with it. I just want to go ahead and drop it and get a little feedback, you know. So go ahead and hit y'all boy up. Like I said, this your boy Paul Kemp, aka PJ, aka the Prodigy. So go ahead and hit your